Hey guys, I hope you are doing great. Finally, I'm monetized. Yes, finally, I was monetized. Yes, but you must be asking yourself, Gloria, see you are monetized, but even you haven't reached 1,000 subscribers. I have another YouTube channel that I have been doing, and on that channel, I got monetized by the grace of God. And I'm here to encourage you that you can still also start today and get monetized. Yes, because on this channel and with Gloria, like I had been making videos, posting them. Like I went so hard on this channel that I'm recording this video right now, and my videos did get attraction or what or everything. And I reached a time I got tired. I reached a time I burned out, and I even took like 3 months not posting again, 3 or 4 months again. I was not posting, but I thank God on another channel that I was running, I got monetized. So that encouraged me to come back here and start recording and start making more videos on this Anne with Gloria channel. Yes, so guys, if you haven't subscribed to Anne with Gloria YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let us show each other some love. Yes, so I was monetized on this other YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you everything. Yes, and I thank God, and I believe in Jesus' name before this year ends. Also, this channel and with Gloria is going to be monetized in Jesus' name. So let's get into my computer, and I'll be showing you everything. And I would like to thank those of you who have been supporting me here on and with Gloria. Those of you who have subscribed, those of you who have watched my videos, I am grateful. Yes, and I believe God is going to lift me higher on this channel also, and I'm going to see His grace. Yes, thank you. So let me show you that I was finally monetized on another YouTube channel. It's good, guys, to see like your hard work when it's really paying off. Yes, so if you're out there and you're afraid to start, just go ahead and start. You never know, you might blow up the first week you start. You might blow up maybe after some few months. But I know if you put in hard work, someday it must pay. It's on this channel that I got monetized. Yes, and when I applied, this is the email they sent me, guys. They told me, Gloria, congratulations, you have been accepted in the YouTube partnership program. Yes, and they send me a welcome email. Yes, that's when I first applied to them. I was like halfway to the monetization, where that thing they say where you need 3,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So I had reached that, and I applied to them. And the good thing that I liked about it, that you don't apply again when you reach the 4,000 hour watch. You would the money notification on your account will just turn on. So this is the email that I got from them, guys. As you can see, they told me welcome to the YouTube partnership program. So guys, I encourage you, if you're out there, just know you can still get monetized. Don't give up. Just keep going. Yes, just keep going. And that's how, guys, I got in, and I was like, oh God, thank you. It encouraged me like to come back again on and with Gloria to post again. Yes, because I was so tired. I was like, this thing is not working. But when I got my breakthrough on this other channel, I got encouraged and I got happy, and I was like, let me try again on Anne with Gloria. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, Anne with Gloria, subscribe, share, a comment, let us grow together. So this is my YouTube channel inside the dashboard, and this is how it looks like. Yes, guys, I got monetized as I told you, and this is how my stats are working so far. Actually, on this channel, even what I would say, I don't post here so much because I have put in like much more effort on this channel, and with where I'm recording this YouTube video. But I thank God that this channel acted as like a way of encouraging me not to give up, because I was like, I was going to give up. So this is my channel, yes, here. And as you can see, these are the views I am getting, and what I've decided, I'm going to be consistent also posting here so that I get more views, because it's like the more views you get, that's the more money you get paid. Yes, so I have to be consistent here too. Yes, so I just recorded this video. I just wanted to encourage somebody to tell you that it's not too late for you to start. You can start and you get monetized. Yes, you can start and you get monetized. Don't be like, this is not for me, it's for somebody else. As you can see, guys, yes, I put on my I I put on my watch page ads. As you can see here, they are showing you the things I am using. As you can see, you are a YouTube pattern. I put on my watch page ads, short feed ads, membership, and super thanks. Something I haven't added yet is the t-shirts and what or like that YouTube merch. So I'll just go ahead design that and put it there. So guys, I just wanted to encourage somebody out there, don't give up. Yes, don't give up yet. You can still do it. You can still make it. Yes, and I'm also not giving up on my other channel, and with Gloria YouTube channel, because this channel has encouraged me that one day your hard work can pay you. So I just wanted to share this video. Yes, it's true, like many people are sharing, like they have been monetized. So I just wanted also to come here and join other people and share the good news. So just stay blessed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't give up. Yes, don't give up on your dreams. You never know. Maybe the day you want to give up, that's the day that God is going to bless you. That's the day that God is going to answer you. Yes, so thank you guys for watching. I thank those of you who have been watching my videos, who have subscribed. Yes, I thank God for the 81 subscribers we have. And I believe we are going viral in Jesus' name starting from today.